It is Christmas. Well, it's nearly Christmas. It's still November. Haven't put out a vlog in ages. Sorry. Life just has gotten in the way. This week I am baking. I know, who am I? I'm also putting out Christmas decorations. You'll see some of my tablescapes. So without further ado, let's get to it. Forgot to say, before we get to it, just wanted to give a shout out to Kes Mitchell because she sent me the recipe for the baking portion of this episode. So thank you, Kes. Now we can get to it. Oh, and do you remember a month ago, which was approximately 4 vlogs ago, I did my first weight check? Here's the second weight check. I'm keep interrupting myself this time. Let's get to it. So I think based on this, I'm down about 4 kilos, 3.5, 4 kilos, something like that. And talking of weight, here's something that's not going to keep my weight down. We are making, wait for it, brownies. And I actually didn't have that much in the way of ingredients, so that's all I could make. But my God, they were really good. Taste test coming right up. That tastes really good. And now staring longingly into the camera. Okay, so into the fridge, and now we're on to my favourite bit, the Christmas decorations. Oh my God, it's been so long since I saw them. Look at all that. Drooling. The only thing is now I've got to carry all of this up to the apartment. But as you can see, the bedroom became the dumping ground, and we're starting on Phoenix's little area first. A lot of these decorations he's had, well, this is his third Christmas, so I guess for about 3 years now. Well, near enough, 2.5, 3 years. My little electrician, just need batteries for all the baubles and the lights, and we'll make a quick trip off to Lidl to do that. And lights, camera, action. Oh God, help us. Next up, the sitting room balcony, and this was a job that should have taken an hour. As you can see, it took me all day because it's now nighttime when it finished. But I think it looks really cool. Oh my God, I just love the lights, I love the baubles, and all of these decorations I already had. I didn't have to go out and buy any extras. Into Kazakh because we had to get Rising her little Christmas tree. The exact same one as Phoenix, and there it is down there. Picked up one of those. This happens to be one of my fave shops for Christmas decorations. I'm not sure if it's anywhere else in the world, but I mean, it's all over Portugal, so there you go, and it's called Kazakh. Phoenix was actually very well behaved in this shop. I'm always really reluctant to bring him in anywhere because he just starts touching stuff, but no, he stayed in the stroller and was a very good baba. Back into Lagos, and if you know, you know, I call that Craggy Island. Father Ted fans, raise your hand. And another new project that I will be starting next year is candle making. So I ordered some vases, matte black, and would you believe that particular one is or has already been broken. I know. And it wasn't Phoenix this time, it was one of the bloody cats. So a couple more of my decorations. I did a thing on Instagram. Do you know when you're editing footage and you're like, where's that footage? I'm missing some. I didn't actually film it. Ugh. Let me go and do that now. And this is the finished area. Phoenix's little Christmas display. And then Rising's area. She got much brighter lights this time around, and her first Newbridge silver decoration. Thank you, Suzanne.